Civil authorities from pretty much all over the fucking planet have issued an evil Santa alert for the entire planet Earth effective until midnight December 26. The public have been reporting an evil Santa Claus with bloody red eyes killing everyone on the planet. His weapon of choice is Rudolph Sandler's. Is this the end of the world? Probably. This is a total chaos all over. We're still dealing with the coronavirus and now we have to deal with an evil Santa. The most states that had people getting killed by the evil Santa Claus are Wisconsin, Upper Michigan, Minnesota, New York, Maine, North Dakota, Hawaii, Iowa and Alaska. He even has eyes that glow bloody red at night. Looks like we have an update. We are now receiving reports that he is raping children that are on nice list. LOL. Wait a minute, why do I hear footsteps? Ho ho holy motherfucking cow shit with chocolate covered cunt. The evil Santa Claus has made entry into the EAS headquarters. No. Do not shove that antler up my